friends, I'm Daniela, the vegan mom.
I am Christina, a vegan girl.
Let's get educated on veganism, shall we? And why you should go vegan.
Here we go!
There are so many books and documentaries that talk about the health benefits of a plant-based vegan lifestyle and the positive difference that you can make that affects nature, the animal kingdom, and the entire planet.
Books to read.
The China Study by Dr. Campbell and Heal Yourself 101 by Marcus Rothkranz.
Movies to watch.
What the Health, Food Choices, Dominion, Game Changers, Seaspiracy, and Fat, Sick, and Almost Dead.
What? Mom, I can't say that.
I highly encourage you to watch all these films and read all these books to get a firm understanding of what the whole foods, plant-based vegan lifestyle is really all about. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the educational videos that I'm making and the videos that advocate for animals. So if you have any questions or comments or any tips of your own to share, drop a comment below and be sure to like this video so we can spread this message to as many people as possible. Do you have anything to say, Christina?
Huh? No.
No? Nothing else to say?
No.
Okay, why don't we say goodbye until the next video.
Bye!
See you next time.